Today I'm going to teach you how to change bank account info on TurboTax. This is essential if you've switched banks or need to update your account details for receiving your tax refund. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your TurboTax app. You can do this by opening a browser and heading to turbotax.intuit.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. After entering your details, you'll be directed to your TurboTax dashboard. This might take a moment to load, so give it a few seconds to fully appear. Once your account has loaded, we'll begin the process of changing your bank account info. Head to your left navigation menu where you'll find several options for managing your account. Click on Documents. From the Documents tab, you can view all your related tax documents filed and used under your TurboTax account. This section is where TurboTax organizes everything from W-2s to receipts and bank information. Now, to change bank accounts, look for and click on Linked Accounts. This is where all your banking connections are managed. Now, from here, the process is pretty much straightforward. Simply click on the Add an Account button. This will open up a new interface where a list of banks will be presented to you. You can use the search bar to type in your bank name, which makes finding your specific bank much quicker than scrolling through the entire list. Once you see your bank's name, click on its icon. You will see clear instructions on changing and linking your new bank to your TurboTax account. These instructions are bank-specific, so follow them carefully. You may need to enter your online banking credentials to verify the connection. TurboTax uses secure encryption to protect your information during this process, so your data remains safe. After completing the verification steps, your new bank account will be linked to your TurboTax profile. This ensures that any future refunds or payments will be processed through your updated account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your bank account info on TurboTax. This simple update ensures your tax refunds are deposited into the right account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.